Hi, I'm Ray. I'm in the garden today and we're going to grow some cat grass. And this is rapidly growing shoots which can be beneficial to your cat's diet and provide the aid to digestion that is sometimes required, especially with indoor cats. So this can be sown all year round in trays or pots of seed compost and cut when 5 to 7 centimeters long to prevent the leaves coming coarse. So I'm going to grow some of this and we're going to do it in two ways. So first of all, I'll show you the seeds. And we've got quite a few there. Doesn't tell us how many seeds. And this is called Avena sativa. So first of all, we've got our pot and we've got some multi-purpose compost and we've got a bit of perlite added in the pot, and we're just going to fill the pot firm it down. We're going to give the pot a bit of a water just to make it a bit damp, and then we're going to take our seeds and we're going to sprinkle them around the top of the pot. There we go, so we've got a few seeds all around the edges. And then we're going to get the remaining compost and sprinkle it over the top. And within 2 or 3 days we should start seeing some shoots. So I'm firming it down, leaving it slightly lower than the lid, and we can give it a water. We're going to put this in a nice bright area and we'll come back in 2 or 3 days time and have a look at the progress. So the other way we're going to try is the Soilless way. And we've got this little porcelain dish and we've got some paper towel, and we're going to line the dish with the paper towel. And then we're going to give it a water. And then we've got our seeds. So we've given our dish a drop of water, soaked the paper tissue, and we've got our cat grass seeds, and we're going to sprinkle them over the top. Of the moistened paper. Spreading them out. There we go. So I'm just going to give them a quick spray. And that's going to set in a light area and we can watch them grow. So cats prefer to eat the cat grass when they're young shoots, and we cut when 5 to 7 centimetres long to prevent the leaves becoming coarse, and we keep it moist at all times. So, looking good. Can't wait to grow some of this. Quick growing shoots that benefit your cat's diet. So we'll have a look how the cat grass is doing, and within 4 days we've got some growth. So around 10 days we've got a nice supply of cat grass. So let's go and see if the cats will like it.